everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody is doing great. Oh, it's so good to be back to making a video. I am completely moved now, and I'm closing on my house in about a little less than 2 weeks. Had a little hiccup with the COVID issue there, and so it kind of slowed the process down just a hair. But we are well underway. I just have my craft room left to really get kind of put in place. A lot of it is set up, but it's still not really how I want it to be. So anyway, I'm going to be working on that, but for the most part, we are back in business, thank goodness. And hopefully I will be getting to being able to get some journals done and working on some things like that. So anyway, I've had this July box from Your Creative Studio. I got it last weekend, but I just didn't have the setup to get it videoed. So we are going to dive in and we are going to see what's in this box. There is the front side, but here lately they open up from the underside with the label. So we are going to open it up. I haven't done anything except for, you know, get the tape from the box. So let's see what is in here. There is Amanda's thank you card. And of course she says, I hope you'll enjoy the July's collection. So anyway, there is Amanda's thank you card. Let's get in here. Let's see what's in this box. I feel like I've just been away so long, and I know it hasn't been that long, but boy, it does feel like it. So my lighting may not be just right, ladies. I had myself kind of set up over at the window, but it was so bright, it was too much light. And now I may not have enough light. I'm using some artificial light. So anyway, it's just a process trying to get yourself set back up again. And anyway, here are some, and I believe these are probably washi. Some kind of washi stickers. Yeah, they are. I can feel the back's got the peel back on them. These are really cute. Old cars, old bus or RV, bicycles. There's some old cars. These are really cute. Some old shoes. I just kind of dropped them everywhere. A little bit of, looks like advertising pieces there. So that is what is in there. Some really cute vintage bicycles. Oh, look at the clips. Well, I'm going to pull these out because I really like these. Ooh, those are good and strong too. Some vintage looking clips. I love these. These are pretty awesome. Yeah. Love those. Love those. Okay, let me get that tucked in there. Here is some Post-it sticky notes. They're all the same, so I'm not going to pull them out of the package. Love those. Love those colors. These are a vintage notepad. We'll open that up and see what we've got. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're different designs. Okay. Well, these are cute. Just some vintage looking notepad there. Let's see. There's that design. That's really cute. So I think there's 3 different ones in here. Yeah. Super, super cute. I love the vintage. Oh, looky there. That is beautiful. Look at the purple. Those are really pretty. And the, let's see, I don't know if you can see that real well without a reflection. Isn't that cute? Love that purple. Love it, love it. here are, it looks like some envelopes. So let's see here what we've got. They just look like, oh no, they're not envelopes. Those are just little papers. Okay, those are just some little papers there. Yeah, just some different little, those will make good little collage pieces for me, so. Yeah, I like those. Yeah, I just thought they were envelopes when I saw the size of them. Yeah, just little paper snippets is what they are. Little postcard, little airmail. Those are cute. Let's see what that one looks like. Yeah. And then here are some bigger ones in size. That's cute with the little girl. And then that's cute. I love the carte postal. Oh, look at the birds. Love the birds. And then here's another cute. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty little image one. So there is that. Those are cute. Those are just little paper. Now this is stamps here. And they are just like little clips. Yeah, just some little clip stamps. You can see the little push pin. Now those are cute. Cute, cute. Get that stuck back on there. And then here is a little, just some little stickers there. And then let's see what we've got in our stamps here. This is like an old time big clip. That's cute. That's really cute. And then we have another stamp. Let's see what this one has on it. Oh, I think that has two in it. Yep, just another little fancy. The little fancy. This would be like a little clip there. Whoops, I have got black all over me. I apologize. I got in some ink, one of the little, I have those little tiny distress inks, and one of the lids came off, and I was trying to grab a hold of it before it fell, and anyway, ended up getting blue all over myself just before I was going to video, so anyway, I didn't realize I had that big old one right there. Here is some washi tape that's really cute. These have little clips on them. I'm going to pull a little bit out here. Look how pretty the colors are in that. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous washi tape. Okay, so let's see. We're getting down to our little papers here, and these are some little glassine papers. They are not sticky back. They're just little glassine papers. That's cute. And so is that. Super cute. Love the old typewriter and writing and clips. Those are cute. So anyway, guys, there is the July box from your creative studio. A lot of cute things. I'm never really disappointed when I get something from Amanda. She works really hard on getting a theme going and you know, getting a box filled there, and I just appreciate that. Yeah, I love this. I love those. Oh, I love those purple. That is just super cute. So anyway, guys, here is the box. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing, and hopefully I will get back in the swing of getting my getting some journals made. I'm just excited to get some started. And anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.